wants it.
I got one.
Nobody else is
Shoot
running.
straight up or what?
I would shoot it towards the buildings.
These close ones here?
But make sure you're in first.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, then we can go sit in the buildings.
So
Yep,
there's
We're in.
people in these buildings, you said?
The ones down the hill they were, and 70.
They have a vehicle down there.
Yep. Oh, they missed their flare. So there might be people in here, so.
Do you want me to shoot their tires out?
Come up there. Shoot them out.
What?
Shoot them out.
Shoot them out?
It doesn't.
Centered it on this
They're not
compound.
gonna
Look
get
at
back in it anyway.
Gonna land on the fucking roof.
Yeah, I was gonna
Hopefully the
land
roof I'm
right
on.
here.
that. Yeah, I'll be alright with it.
I think it's gonna actually land probably to the northwest. Just
Anybody got any extra 7.6? Like
Yeah, I
maybe,
got a bunch.
Like maybe 30 rounds.
Yep, I got a bunch.
I dropped 100 back in Waterworld. I didn't know.
Here, I'll drop it down
Wow,
the
I
stairs.
found SKS right at the end.
Here it comes, boys. It's gonna drop fast too, cause we're up on this mountain.
Yep.
Alright, little,
See the US
west.
coming down over there.
it's a little west of us. Just a bit on the other side of Anna.
Oh boy.
Gonna get hot.
Gonna boost up a little bit before we go.
I can smoke it if you guys want me to.
I,
Oh, there's a car 98 right here, guys.
I have a lot of smoke. I'll take a car 98, I suppose. They convinced me.
These guys aren't,
They're really close. I can't see them from this angle.
Can't either.
Well, as soon as they come over that hill.
Does anyone want extended mag AR?
got a AWM in here.
I'm throwing a smoke on you.
Is there any extra 5.5 in there?
Yeah, tons.
I'll come grab that.
Yeah, I'll come get some of that ammo too.
Oh, there's people here. What? What's wrong?
Tagged him twice.
Mark again.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's close.
At the tree.
There's a 4X in here too, guys.
He ran back down the hill.
Oh, Jesus. There was a 4X, you said?
Yeah, in the crate.
Are you grabbing that, sir? Alright.
I'm covering you guys from the houses.
And a 3X vest.
Vehicle coming.
I can't fit shit, dude.
I'll just come down there. I'm coming down right now.
I got it. Oh, but yeah, you might as well grab
I
the
need
backpack
the vest
and
anyway,
the vest.
I have the level 3 backpack.
I have ammo now. Holy shit.
Yeah, there's a lot of 5.5 in there. I'm also not using my 7.6 anymore, so.
You guys done? I go over and get the scraps.
You still need 7?
In there, but if you want some.
Extended mag here. AR.
Alright, we gotta go a long way.
There's a guy right here. Easy shot, 55.
See your mark.
Hit him.
Mark?
Why doesn't my mark there?
God damn it. I could've armed him.
Yeah, he just went down the hill. Hit him in like the back of the neck.
Probably the same guy that came up.
Did he go right or left?
He went straight down right by that tree right at 55.
Like right there.
So he ran away from us, north, south,
Yeah, he was
east?
running
Yeah,
away.
yeah,
He was running away.
Alright, well we gotta do the same things.
There's people were south of us. They moved with the vehicle, I think.
Yeah, this vehicle's coming back at us right now.
You got a ghillie.
Oh shit, I'm getting hit. From
Oh,
behind?
is it?
From west?
Yep.
I don't see him.
I don't either.
Shit. We're here on me?
Okay, I still don't see him. How close?
About 100 meters.
Is that our nades?
No.
Nope.
I'm gonna push ahead of him. I see him. Marked.
Okay.
They're running the other way.
You hit the tree. You hit the tree.
What?
Mark, you hit the tree. Thank you.
They're running the other way.
Oh shit. All right. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
Trying to crest the
hate
hill
when
to
that
get to you.
We're gonna have that guy on our right still that you that Josh shot at earlier.
Yeah, there are a couple.
He went all the way down to the right. I'm assuming. Or it looked like he's by himself. He could just be in like this shed right here camping. I wouldn't put past him laying in the grass somewhere.
You guys coming towards me?
Yeah, here.
Shooting at him. Didn't know.
Yeah, they drove right past me.
And people down by shelter apparently.
Shelter.
Or that, whatever that place is. There's a little
The
shelter.
bunker.
Yeah. Yeah, those are our west guys.
Fuck, we gotta move our ways, guys.
I finally found a
It's not too
hollow.
bad from where we were at. There's smoke up there. Right by that crate.
I see him. Right here.
Wrap that in bacon.
Yeah.
He's up the hill by the tree.
Yeah, we might as well just get to circle. Them fucking light blue. I'm not looking forward to crossing this road.
Right.
Oh, we're not gonna need to cross. That's the fun part about it.
Oh yeah, we will.
Oh no. You just gotta have confidence.
You just gotta glitch through the road.
You wanna see me glitch through this wall right now?
Dude, what happened to that guy behind us? Where'd he go?
I looked for him. I stayed over there.
I think he dipped for a while, man.
No, I mean, he was straight behind us, so I don't know where he did dip to.
Anybody need extended AR by the way?
Negative.
Okay. Drop that.
He's gotta be up in the trees here somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. He ran to the left like a long ways. Which
Yeah, I know.
I found some 5.5 in the toilet.
Yeah,
How much do you got, sir?
115 extra.
Gash.
Oh,
You taking my gash?
Those.
I think I'll cross it right here.
Yeah, I bet you he's in front of the bunker.
he's a little further away than that, I think.
Still kind of looking for that guy up that hill to the west.
he's just. Oh, here he is. He's dead.
Get him.
Nice shot.
I hit him. I just got hit from another way though. I got
Me
hit from
too.
the backside
I'm
northeast.
stuck. Fuck. Now he's gonna get in.
Really?
I can't shoot at him right now.